police!
Hey, put the fucking gun down. Put the gun down, all right? I came here to talk some sense into you. All right, just act professional. I can get you your money.
What did you say?
I can get you your money.
You didn't come here to talk, all right? You came here to get arrested.
You got fucking tapes of what? Costello was my informant. I was a rat. Fuck you. Prove it. He was working for me. He was my informant. Shut your fucking mouth. Come on, get up. Well, what is this, a citizen's arrest? Blow me. All right, only one of us is a cop here, Bill. You understand that, Bill? No one knows who you fucking
Just shut
are.
the fuck up!
I'm a sergeant in the Massachusetts State Police. Who the fuck are you? I erased you.
You erased me, huh?
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Shoot a cop, Einstein. Watch what happens.
Well, what happened is this bull would go right through your fucking head!
Watch what happens.
What, so you can get the parade, huh? The bagpipes and bullshit? Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm fucking arresting you!
That's the stupidest thing you could do.
Shut the fuck up!